Dear brothers and sisters, the topic I want to share with you today is based on a profound prayer. This prayer, in some form, is often attributed to the Prophet, though there is no authentic chain directly linking it to him. However, it is a powerful supplication from one of the righteous predecessors, and it is something that offers deep insight into how they connected with the divine. We know from the early generations that they had a special relationship with the Creator, and their way of calling upon Him is something we can learn much from. This specific prayer is said to have been recited frequently by one of the early scholars, and it goes like this: O God, make me content with what you have decreed. Let me be satisfied with what you have decided, and bless me in what is yet to come. This prayer is truly remarkable. It reflects a profound level of submission to the divine plan and demonstrates a kind of contentment with life's unfolding. The idea is simple yet deep. Let me be content with what has already happened, and bless me in what is yet to come. It's about not desiring to rush what has been delayed, nor wanting to postpone what has been hastened. It's a powerful message about patience and acceptance. When we reflect on this, we realize that our lives are often filled with impatience and frustration. We live in a time when everything feels rushed. We jump from one task to the next, trying to achieve this and that. There's constant pressure to get things done. And when things don't go as we planned, or when they're delayed, it can lead to stress and frustration. Have you ever experienced that feeling of being a child in the back seat, asking, are we there yet? Over and over again? That's the kind of impatience we often have when we make requests. We keep asking, is it happening yet? Is it happening now? But sometimes the thing we are praying for may be on its way, and we don't realize it. Many people give up on their prayers, frustrated that things haven't happened yet. They forget that just when things are about to unfold, they lose hope and stop asking. This is when we must remember that God's help comes at the right time, even if it's not on our timeline. The Prophet spoke of how those who oppress others might feel invincible, thinking they are beyond reach, but God allows them to continue until their time of reckoning arrives. Similarly, those who are wronged may wonder, when will help come? But we have to remember that sometimes delays are not denials. They are part of a larger plan. This is where we have to practice submission to the timing of life. Life is often a race against time, and we feel as though we are running out of it. But the truth is that we are not in control of the timing. It is the divine timing that matters. When you are in a hardship, it's easy to focus on when it will end, but in doing so, you might miss out on the opportunities within that hardship. Just like a person in prison might focus so much on escaping that they forget the lessons and growth that come with being in the prison. Similarly, when we face a trial, we should ask ourselves, what can I learn from this? What can I gain from this delay? How can I grow closer to the Creator during this time? We often forget to appreciate the blessings already around us while pursuing the things we want. It's easy to get tunnel vision and focus solely on what we don't have or what we're waiting for, while missing the gifts that are already in our lives. Family, health, and relationships all have a timeline of their own. If we're so caught up in what we don't have, we risk losing sight of the precious moments already before us. In those times when we feel rushed or anxious, we need to remind ourselves to slow down and look at the bigger picture. What are the blessings that are right here? How can I appreciate the present moment instead of constantly asking when? It's a delicate balance. We are allowed to pursue our goals, and we should do so with passion. But at the same time, we must learn to submit ourselves to the timing of life. Trust that when the time is right, the things you seek will come. And when things are delayed, understand that it is for your benefit, not a punishment. Bayet akhir politik, the conflict, the crises, we will suffer. But when things are delayed, understand that it is for your benefit, not a punishment. It's easy to get frustrated, asking when will this happen? But remember that sometimes the answer is not no, but simply not yet. And that not yet may be a blessing in disguise, teaching you patience, resilience, and gratitude. So as you reflect on your own prayers and desires, remember that everything unfolds in its own time. There is a wisdom behind every delay and a lesson in every moment. May we learn to trust in the divine plan, to be patient with the timing of life, and to appreciate the blessings around us. May we also be content with what is to come, trusting that the best is always yet to arrive, even if it comes in its own time.